Did you know that these cute and cuddly creatures, known for their powerful legs and unique hopping gait, have a major limitation when it comes to their movement? They simply can't walk backwards. But why is this the case? Well, it has to do with the unique anatomy of a kangaroo's legs. Unlike humans and many other animals, kangaroos have long and powerful hind legs that are specially adapted for hopping forward. This allows them to cover great distances quickly and efficiently, but makes it nearly impossible for them to move in the opposite direction.